wasn't her egg. It was a baby snake. The end.
Well, that was a funny story, yeah? Yeah. You're laughing so hard.
This is Jeremy's first attempt to eating rice cereal because he seems very hungry. Okay, here we go. We don't know if he's ready. We'll see how he responds.
Okay, sit down.
We might have to give him the bottle first because he's very hungry right now. This is very different. See, with Caroline at 5 months, she lunged forward. See, Jeremy might not... Oh, sorry. Jeremy's not lunging forward like Caroline.
He takes it.
Is he taking it? I'm not sure.
He is.
See, right now he's not really telling me he's ready for this. Like Caroline was. Caroline, oh, so hungry. And she, lunge. See? He's not really lunging for it. I'm not sure if he's really Caroline! So different. She was really ready. He's not lunging. But maybe because he's in a bad mood, or maybe he's just so hungry.
See, this is too slow.
He wants to hold it.
You have to open your mouth, sweetie.
And kill see what it's in. Don't fall out.
Is his tongue moving at all?
Yeah. Tonight it moved.
I know, it's a different thing for you. You might not be ready, baby. Yeah, I don't think so. We try again next week, or we try again another day. There's something he's like really taking in.